Hello, my name is Paul Martinelli, and I'm president of the John Maxwell team. I want to introduce you to my friend Jeremy. I have the privilege of leading an organization of more than 23,000 team members in more than 160 countries. And I've been a practitioner of self-development for years, so I know the importance of self-awareness. In fact, in his best-selling book, The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth, my business partner, John Maxwell, wrote about the law of awareness. He says you must know yourself to grow yourself. That's true for personal growth, team growth, and business growth. I want to encourage you to consider working with our certified Maxwell Disc Consultant who sent you this video. Having some of the highest credentials in behavioral analysis, training and development as a certified coach, speaker, and trainer with the John Maxwell team ensures you'll be working with one of the best. They will bring to your organization our Maxwell Disc Report, which provides awareness and communication styles, the value each individual can bring to your team, and their specific strengths to influence results. Then, the Maxwell Disc Training Program helps individuals to apply this new knowledge in ways that lead to increased effectiveness so they can bring their very best work forward. Thank you for watching this video. Be well.